Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix WhatsApp app not working on iPhone iOS 17 without wasting any time. Let's start this video. First solution is close the app and reopen again. Close the WhatsApp app and reopen again WhatsApp app, and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying this solution number 2. Solution number 2 is restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button, and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and restarting your iPhone, and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying this solution number 3. Solution number 3 is update your WhatsApp app. Firstly, tap on App Store, search WhatsApp, open the WhatsApp app, check the app updates. Updates are available, updates your app, and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying this solution number 4. Solution number 4 is switch off Wi-Fi and switch on again. Firstly, tap on setting app, tap on Wi-Fi toggle off, and 10 to 20 seconds back toggle on, and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is delete WhatsApp and reinstall again. Select the WhatsApp app which you want to delete and install the app again App Store, and problem is fixed. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying this solution number 6. Solution number 6 is reset network setting. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, scroll up, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset setting, tap on reset network settings. You can see appears on screen reset network settings. This will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults. Tap on reset network settings to confirm this action, and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact with support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix WhatsApp app not working on iPhone iOS 17 is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.